got the Homokas electric coffee percolator, 12 cups percolator, coffee pot, stainless steel percolator, coffee maker with clear knob, cool touch handle, coffee pot, percolator, auto keep warm function. It's purple. Power switch. It is all stainless steel. Nice handle. Power base and cord. Coffee filter for coarse grounds. Nice lid. Clear percolator. User manual. Power cord. All the accessories to make you 12 cups of coffee. Power switch. The pot sets in this base and gets its power. Very good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your coffee pot collection. Thank you.